to have fun. C is for cheetah, the fastest on land. D is for deer with grace so grand. E is for elephant, strong and wise. F is for fox, with cunning in her eyes. G is for giraffe, towering tall. H is for horse, who loves to gallop and sprawl, and sprawl. I is for iguana, climbing up high. J is for jaguar, stealthy as he spies. K is for koala, sleeping in a tree. L is for lion, roaring wild and free. M is for mouse, small and quick. N is for newt, whose skin is slick. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for panda, black and white in sight. Q is for quail, chirping with glee. R is for rabbit, hopping so free. S is for snail, moving slow and steady. T is for tiger, always ready and steady. U is for urchin, hiding in the sand.
V is for vulture, flying over the land. W is for walrus, basking in the sun. X is for xenox, having so much fun. Y is for yak, grazing on the hill. Z is for zebra, standing so still.